What's up everybody? Today we got this mystery box from Jarir bookstore. Let's see what's inside this box. And here I am going to open this box. And let's see what's inside. Oh, I got this camera, Canon camera M50. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. We got this Canon guided manual book. And this is 1 year warranty card from Canon. And this is complimentary sir photography course topic. And also this is a regional warranty card scheme. We can register this from the online. Let's see what's inside another. After opening this, inside this we have got this on Canon belt. This is a charging cable. This is charging cable for the battery. And here is the camera. This camera is gorgeous, very capable in the hand. This screen is multi-flip, can flip from here. Here this is the branding name, Canon. Here carrier battery. This is the USB port, HDMI port, and the charging kit, C-type charging. Let's see what's another inside the box. And we have got this battery. And here we got this lens kit. $15 1545 mm lens kit, image stability. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and comment.